Okay, so what you guys saw earlier was 945. I got punked. Had the same exact horn. I was like 202. But okay, this is for the train. All right. The first champion painted 703 and the last champion painted 720 are leading this train. So basically, if you go to both ends of the roster for FEC for SD40s, 703 is the first champion you'll hit, and 720 will be the last champion you'll hit. And they're both in numerical order. Hear them, they are rolling. Listen to that horn. They're cruising, dude. They're not going fast, though. They're cruising. Hey, thank you. Hey, look at them, they're smoking too. 703 and a 720. Look at them as they go to double champ. Oh, beautiful. Wow, that is some great power. ECH didn't have to try any red, pearl, and blue all week. All week. That's how you do it, FEC. Another squid. What the heck is with all these squids? They're going this speed because of 945 being in front of them. Listen to them flat wheels, man. I can see some of these got new wheels. Goes our good friend the EOT. Look at that train going around that curve. That curve. Yeah, that crossing up there, it used to have a mechanical dinger. Now it has an electronic dinger. Dinger, dinger, dinger. Alright. BBT 609. Whoa. Here. Near milepost 307, near the Darth Vader, 307.1-2. Have a safe trip, ECH Jim. I think Jim's on there. If he is, Okay, if he's not, my bad. Have a safe trip to the crew, 202. And all of you that are at the 2014 FECRS convention, you guys have a wonderful time. Take lots of pictures and take lots of videos. Because guess what? ECH is going to be there too. Alright. Look, listen, and live. And don't forget to have fun.